Okay, today we will learn how we can interface a servo motor with data of Arduino inside the Proteus. So for it, first of all, you need to go to the components library and then click P and write here Arduino, and you will select any of the Arduino of your own choice. Again, in every tutorial, I would recommend that you must have to download the Arduino library first from the Google or from any other source, and you can include or you can paste it inside your C directory Arduino folder, and after Arduino folder you must have to save it in the library folder. That is, again I am repeating that, first you need to go to the Google and write here that how to download the library of Arduino, or just to download the library of Arduino, and after downloading is finished you need to copy it and then to go to the your C disk, your C hard drive portion, and then search for Arduino folder and then the library folder, and you have to paste it in the folder, the same folder. And after it you have to restart your Proteus, and after restarting it is having Arduino ready to use. So after you got your Arduino, now we will take one servo motor, and here you can see that there are three servo motors, but we will take the simplest one, that is PWM controlled servo motor. And usually in our local shops, that is SG90 or small servo motors, are actually PWM drive. So for it you also need one power pin. You have to connect the VCC pin of the servo to the power pin, the lower pin to the ground pin of the what's called as the servo motor, and the mid pin to any of the PWM pin. But here we will attach this data or control pin with that of the pin number 9, PWM pin of the Arduino. Then you need one code, servo motor code. Okay, here servo.h, that is the header file of servo motor. Then there is a servo object, that is serve underscore object, and one angle object is equal to 0. Then this line dot h9 server underscore obj dot h9 means that pin number 9 is declared as the controlling pin of the servo. Then while loop, there is a then in while loop there is a loop, that is for loop, and serve underscore object dot write angle object means that 0 must be written there on pin number 9. Then a delay of 10 microsecond. Then delay of 1000 means the delay of 1 second. And for angle object is equal to 180, then angle object is greater than or equal to 1, and angle object minus 5. So on every turn, in every iteration, the for loop will undergo uh, a change of -5, and then there is a delay of 4 seconds, and then delay of 800 milliseconds. So this is a simple programming. You need to compile it, and after compilation is done you need to go to this link, that is ino.hex, control C and control V here, and we will press OK. So servo motor is actually a motor that is very precise in measuring or to point the motor rotor on a specific angle or to a specific point. So that is why they are widely used in CNC machines and routers. And here you can see that our motor is moving in both direction, that is from -90 degree to plus 90 degrees. So the total rotation is actually 180 degree. that is minus 90 to plus 90 is actually 180 degree. So you can change the degrees which you want, and you can change it from the coding Arduino file. So hopefully you got the concept regarding the servo motor interfacing with that of the Arduino. And thanks for watching this video tutorial.